And we're going up. Up, up, up. We're going to have carpets. We're going to go for neutral colors when we start the interior decor. Things like grey, white, a little bit of black. And that's the lovely toilet. This is what it looks like. And we're going to make this all change, hopefully. And that is the loft. We're going to have to go in there. All the damp you see around the rooms, we believe it's got something to do with the roofing. And we're actually looking at a re-roof of the entire property. That will take care of the damp, mold, and just nip that in the bud. And look at this lovely, lovely, lovely heater. We're going to get rid of that and then change the windows to double glazing, properly done. And yes, you want to see how we do this, how we do more of this? Connect with us. We're JV, we partner with people, with like-minded business property investors, and we turn below market value properties like this into profitable ventures. This is Violet of Housing at Us. Thank you very much.